Hello and welcome to the new video, and this video is about a Laminar flow diffuser, and I'm going to demonstrate you that how I can have air terminal static pressure calculated as per the tabulation given inside on this document, which is this is about this laminar flow diffuser. And here I have several types, so it starts from 1 feet by 4 feet and it goes to 2 feet by 6 feet. So all the 1 by 4 and 2 by 2, so all the way to this 2 by 6 feet. So here it is. So I can change the type. Let's say I go to 2 by 5, 10 feet, 10 inches inlet. All right, so and this duct I have to change it to 10 inch, right? So and so on. So but this is about this. So here I have the maximum and minimum flow rate for this type 2 by 5 10 inch inlet. So here we have 2 by 5 10 inch, so this is 200 and 600, so which is my Q max and Q minimum to 600 and 200. All right, so here I have this all the calculations have been inside the family, and I can set any value. Let's say, so this is 2 to 600. I can set it to, let's say, 405, and it's going to give me the pressure drop at that value, which is not here, but it's going to calculate this still, which is going to be all right. So let's say I have it here. So what I have done here is that I have this dynamo program, which I'm going to set it to manual at the moment, and so that I can demonstrate you that how is this going to, let's say I have it here. So this value 350, so if I give here 350, it's 0.08, which is here 0.08. so this is my static pressure. All right, so its next value I can give, let's say 500. So I have here 500, and it's going to give me 0.14, which is here 0.13. No, sorry, here 0.14. So this is the one 10 inch. It's because I'm here in 10 inch, and let's say I have it 600. So 600 is 0.2. Yes, it's 0.2. So, and I can also check 250. It's 0.04. Yes, so I can give any value, something like even 264, and it's going to give me the pressure drop, which will be between 250 and 300, something like that. So with 0.44, so I can give even, let's say 285, and it's going to give me the value between 0.04 and 0.06. So what I have done here is I have this dynamo program, which is very simple. So I have that element, which is that my I selected that family, and I have Q maximum and Q minimum, which is 600 and 200. So I'm just going to set the parameter value. This parameter value I am going to set here, and this is my value. This is the parameter name, and that's the parameter value. I'm going to have it set it for the, if Q max is 600, so I'll change this to 600, and I'll change this to 200, and then I will just, here you can see that what I will do is that I will just slide this number and automatic. So I will just slide this number, and it will give me the corresponding pressure drop at every single value, right? So I can select this to a different type. So let's say this time I go for 2 by 3 10 inch, right? So here is my 2 by 3 10 inch. So this is minimum is 120 and maximum is 360, which I'm going to get here. So 360 and 120. So 36 120 and 360. Alright, so and my pressure drop value is going to be so it's 360. I can set it to 300, let's say, but I have to set it from here. So here you go, like this. So I have at 120 I have 0.02, so which is 0.02 at 120, and then 0.03 at every this table is an increment of every 30 cfm till here, and then it gives the increment of 60 cfm. So but the formulation that I've done, it gives me the pressure drop of every single value that we can put here. So yes, you can see that it's changing at every single value. So even if I have, for example, if I have it here 240.06 and 300.09, so 240 is here 0.06 and 300 is here is 300.09, and I can get the value at every single CFM input. Alright, so that's how it is. So this is with the complete all of these range all the way from here to here. Alright, so I can have 2 by 2 feet, 2 feet by 2 feet, so it is here 2 feet by 2 feet, let's say 8 inches this time. Alright, so for this I have my minimum 80 and 240, so I'll just set it to 80 and 240 and 240, and then I can have my pressure drop. So this works for every single type and all the values within the range of the maximum and minimum flow rate. Hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice time.